it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today's video is another really expensive review, one that I'm excited to share with you guys. It is sponsored by Sneaker Knockers, and if you pay attention, you watch the whole video, you have the opportunity to win the sneakers that are in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show them to you. These are absolutely insane. I haven't seen them yet in person, but yeah, they are pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and get these. Oh my God, dude, these are nuts. Look at these. There are only 420 pairs of these. I've got a pair in my hands. This is so crazy to have these. I'm not an SB guy, but to have a sneaker this limited from Nike is unreal. So shout out to Sneaker Knockers for letting me use these. And guys, you have the opportunity to win these. I'll give all the details later in the video, but let's go ahead. Let's get both of them out of the box. These are 100% dead stock. These are honestly, these are my size, but can't afford this price tag. Griffey, what do you think? All right, so we've got them out of the box. I've got to be extra careful with these. 420 pairs. This is pair number 368. They're all individually numbered right there on the heel. These are wild. So these are basically the 2.0 or the reverse version of the original Nike SB Skunks. These released this year, but it was a very limited release. Obviously it was very hard to get your hands on these with there only being 420 pairs. I did enter to try to win. I didn't get them, but thanks to Sneaker Knockers, I've got a pair right here to review for you guys. And this shoe is honestly insane. A few months back, me and Nick did a review on the Strawberry Coughs, which was supposed to release for 420 this year. However, that got canceled. There's still like rumors that they may release later on or release next year. But as of now, that release has been canceled by Nike due to like concerns over the logo that they put on the heel. But this sneaker right here did release, and I've got them, and I don't even know what to think. They are honestly so crazy. I didn't think they would be this bright in person, but you got just an all around different tones of purple. You've got like a darker purple here on the laces, as well as the sock liner and inside the tongue. And then you've got more of like a violet purple on the upper. This is just absolutely insane. You've got that nappy suede that's known for a lot of the 420 sneakers, obviously what that is reminiscent of. But these guys, these are absolutely crazy. These are crazy. That bright green on the outsole, just so clean. I love the suede on these. It's very similar to what's on the original pair, and then also on the Strawberry Coughs, those had suede on the upper as well. This furry nappy suede is just so cool and unique. I think just something that, you know, nobody else can reproduce in my opinion besides Nike. And so you've got the extra laces right here. You got a green set of laces. Guys, these are wild. 420 pairs. I know right now these are going for like anywhere from like $5,000 to $8,000, which is a ton of money for a pair of sneakers. Way above my budget personally, but it is a realistic number for a lot of people. And this is one that if you have the means, definitely want to go ahead and get your hands on a pair of these, because in the future these are going to be worth probably 2, 3, 4 times that number, at least in my opinion. And I'd love to know your opinion. What do you guys think of these? Is this something that you tried to get your hands on? Did you try to get a pair of these? I definitely put in my own effort, but came up empty-handed, just like basically everybody, except for those lucky few who were able to get these. Oh man, these are just so crazy. So crazy. Now, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, you have the opportunity to win these for only $29.99. The way you can win these is go to Sneaker Knockers website. You can purchase a t-shirt. So you buy a t-shirt from Sneaker Knockers, $29.99. I'll put a link to all the information that you need down in the description below. But guys, you could win these for $29.99. That is an insane come up. Probably the biggest come up of 2020, unless you hit on a pair of Dior's. But these guys, these are going right now for like 5 to 8 grand. You don't have to be a member of Sneaker Knockers, but I highly suggest you join. However, all you have to do is just purchase a t-shirt from them. The winner will be announced on Black Friday. So the winner will be posted on Friday, guys. Go now, make sure you purchase the t-shirt. There's no reason to not buy one because you have the opportunity to win these. And I'm gonna buy a t-shirt. I'm definitely buying a t-shirt because I would love to win these. But guys, go ahead, buy a t-shirt from Sneaker Knockers. If you want to join, I highly suggest it. They get absolutely everything early and for really good deals. So if you haven't heard me talk about them before, go check them out. Link is down in the description. Let's just keep taking a look at these sneakers. The green, honestly, on these is so sick. I love the green on the outsole, but the green suede is like a lighter green, and you've got it here on the back pull tab as well. These are just so nice. I think it's pretty interesting that they chose orange as the lettering here on the tongue. That's a pretty interesting choice. Not really sure why they went with orange. I don't know if there's any significance behind that or not, honestly, but these are absolutely crazy. And we cannot forget to pull out the insole. I almost forgot. Let's take a look. We'll unlace this a little bit. This insole is wild. Let me see if I can get it out. Check this out. This is so sick. The strawberry coffin sole was really cool too, and I think it's just a thing that Nike SB does where they just really put in a lot of creative effort. I'm pretty sure the guy that designed these also designed the strawberry coffs. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's correct. And obviously he's got a great creative touch when it comes to sneakers, because this is a really cool insole that goes with a very cool sneaker. It's just, there's not much else that needs to be said. There was a special box that came with these that you could get as well, but these just came with that standard new Nike SB box right here. Wow, I can't believe that I have these. I've had some crazy sneakers this year. This is maybe the craziest one that I've gotten to review, and I'm really fortunate. Super thankful to Sneaker Knockers. Man, these are my size. I wish we could do some on-feet shots for you guys. That would be just next level, but we want to keep them DS for the winner of the giveaway. So guys, make sure you go ahead, click the link down in the description, get your t-shirt, get entered to win. Winner announced on Black Friday, so don't waste any time. $29.99. You could win these 5 to 8K. Huge come up, especially with the holiday season coming up. Guys, I highly suggest you check out Sneaker Knockers. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate all the love and support. Big giveaway of my own coming at 20K subscribers. We're getting close, and I'll see you guys on the next one.